So if you was thinking you would change the bearings in your Hotpoint washing machine, Bhwm129 and various new ones, my one's got a 52 litre drum, and if I could have changed the bearings it would have been 25 quid, but I can't. And don't try cutting the drum in half like that all others do on YouTube and re-glue them, because you won't be doing that either. Once you cut that drum, that's all it is, rubbish. So it's an uneconomical repair, £150 for a new drum. You might as well buy a new appliance. Thanks Hotpoint. Would have been cheap, but not now. And just a last look at why I had to strip it and wanted to change the bearings, because they'd fallen to pieces within 3 years. But as I said, you can't change them because the drum is unresealable, not bolted together, plastic welded. What a shame. No fast fix these days.